Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the stars? Today, we pull back the cosmic curtain to reveal a universe brimming with planets so bizarre, they defy our very understanding of nature. From worlds cloaked in perpetual darkness to planets where storms of glass rain from the sky, each celestial body we'll explore offers a unique glimpse into the extremes of cosmic possibility. Prepare to voyage through darkness, storms, and unimaginable conditions as we explore these alien worlds. Imagine a world darker than the blackest coal. Welcome to Tres 2b, the darkest planet known to us. Nestled in the constellation Draco, about 750 light-years from Earth, this planet has the unique distinction of reflecting less than 1% of the light that hits its surface. It's like staring into the void of space itself. The darkness of Tres 2b is not just a visual phenomenon. The planet endures temperatures that soar to more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, making it hotter than molten lava. In this extreme heat, one might expect a planet to shine brightly, but Tres 2b absorbs almost all the light it receives, creating an eerie, oppressive darkness. Despite this, some astronomers speculate that Tres 2b might emit a faint, hellish red glow. This glow would not be enough to illuminate the darkness, but could add a sinister ambiance to its already mysterious nature. This pitch-black planet, hotter than molten lava, is just the beginning of our journey. Next, envision a planet of extremes. Welcome to 55 Cancri E, a world that dramatically embodies the concept of contrast. Imagine, if you will, one hemisphere perpetually ablaze with a molten sea of lava, glowing ominously under the star's relentless gaze. This side faces its star, receiving an overwhelming amount of heat, turning its surface into an ocean of fire. Now, pivot to the other side, shrouded in unending darkness, cold and mysterious. This hemisphere never sees the star, locked as it is in a synchronous orbit, much like our moon is with Earth. Here, temperatures plunge, and the landscape is cloaked in perpetual shadow. The stark differences between these two halves create a dynamic and extreme environment. It's a place where the boundary between day and night becomes a literal line of fire and ice. Geological activities here are unlike anything we know on Earth, with potential volcanic activities being continuously fueled by the extreme heat. A planet torn between fire and night, 55 Cancri E challenges our notions of day and night. Beauty can be deceiving, as seen on HD 189733b. This distant exoplanet, located 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, captivates observers with its striking deep blue hue, reminiscent of Earth's oceanic splendors. But don't let its serene appearance fool you. HD 189733b is anything but hospitable. What makes this planet uniquely terrifying is its weather. Imagine a world where the sky rains not water but glass, sideways. This bizarre meteorological phenomenon occurs due to the planet's extreme winds, which tear through the atmosphere at over 5,000 miles per hour. These aren't just any winds, they carry silicate particles, heating up to horrific temperatures, then condensing into glass shards that rain horizontally across the turbulent skies. Such conditions arise from the planet's close proximity to its star, which it orbits every 2.2 days. This proximity not only contributes to its stunning blue color, caused by Rayleigh scattering, but also to its violent atmospheric conditions. From afar, a gem in the cosmos; up close, a stormy nightmare. Imagine being so close to your star that you are almost melting. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but the reality for Kepler-70b, a planet enduring some of the most extreme conditions known in our galaxy. Orbiting its star at a perilously close distance, Kepler-70b faces temperatures so high that it hovers on the brink of evaporation. Once a gas giant, Kepler-70b has now shriveled under the intense heat to become a rocky exoplanet. Its surface, scorching and molten, tells a story of cosmic survival against all odds. This proximity to its star is not merely a close encounter, it's a continuous battle for existence. The planet's day side faces the star, receiving an onslaught of energy that would obliterate most known materials. Yet, Kepler-70b holds its ground. Its resilience offers a unique glimpse into the cosmic processes that can strip a planet down to its core and yet allow it to persist, defying the typical life expectancy of celestial bodies in such inhospitable environments. Kepler-70b, a testament to the enduring and extreme conditions planets can withstand. Now, witness a planetary tragedy in motion. In the cosmic expanse where stars and planets perform an ageless ballet, one participant, WASP-12b, finds itself in a perilous waltz with its star. This gas giant, once majestic in its solitude, is now locked in a fatal embrace, spiraling ever closer to its star. The cause, a relentless gravitational tug, a force so powerful that it distorts the very shape of WASP-12b, stretching it into an elongated ellipse. Imagine a planet so close to its star that each orbit is a brush with annihilation. As WASP-12b orbits, it experiences tidal forces intense enough to heat its atmosphere and distort its structure. This proximity is not just a brush with danger, it's a slow consumption, as the planet's atmosphere is gradually stripped away, drawn into the fiery embrace of its star. What we are observing is not just a planetary orbit, but a countdown to oblivion. Each pass inches WASP-12b closer to its star, each cycle a step towards its inevitable end. In a celestial dance of destruction, WASP-12b moves closer to its cataclysmic end. Defy logic with Gliese 436b, where ice burns. In the cosmic theater, few spectacles are as bewildering as Gliese 436b. Imagine a world where temperatures soar to around 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Yet, astonishingly, this scorching planet harbors a bizarre form of ice that refuses to melt. This phenomenon, often dubbed hot ice, isn't your typical freezer fare. Under the crushing pressure of Gliese 436b's atmosphere, water molecules are squeezed into an exotic solid state. Despite the fiery heat, this ice isn't just surviving, it's thriving, forming a thick layer around the planet's core. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries of this extraordinary contradiction. It challenges our understanding of chemistry and physics, presenting a puzzle where fiery heat and icy solidity coexist in defiance of earthly norms. A planet where the impossible seems to happen, Gliese 436b stands as a cosmic paradox. Closer to home, meet Earth's twisted sister, Venus. Often dubbed Earth's malevolent twin, Venus presents an eerie, parallel world, yet diverges with an environment that is anything but welcoming. Shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus offers a glimpse into an apocalyptic future. The air pressure here is crushing, equivalent to being nearly 3,000 feet underwater on Earth. Surface temperatures soar to a scorching 850 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. These hellish conditions are perpetuated by an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping solar heat. Unlike Earth, with its soothing blue skies and life-sustaining conditions, Venus is a stark example of runaway climate extremes. This planet, veiled in a perpetual cloud cover, reflects more than 70% of the sunlight that reaches it, creating a bright, blinding appearance from space. Yet, beneath this bright exterior lies a desolate landscape of mountains and plains, scarred by thousands of volcanoes, a stark reminder of how unique Earth is in its capacity to support life. Afar from the warmth of a star lies the frozen silence of OGLE-2005-BLG-390Lb. Nestled in the depths of the Milky Way, over 20,000 light-years away, this exoplanet offers a striking contrast to the fiery worlds we've encountered. Here, the temperatures plummet to around minus 390 degrees Fahrenheit, preserving a landscape encased in ice. Imagine a world where the ice isn't just above the surface, but potentially encapsulates hidden oceans beneath. These subterranean seas could harbor secrets about the conditions necessary for life, locked away under layers of frozen time. The sheer isolation and extreme cold of OGLE-2005-BLG-390Lb challenge our understanding of where life might be possible. This remote planet serves as a cosmic beacon, reminding us of the incredible diversity of worlds that exist in our galaxy. Each one, from scorching infernos to icy deserts, tells a unique story of cosmic proportions. In the quiet ice, secrets of the universe remain untouched and waiting. Our journey concludes, but the wonders of the universe do not. We've ventured through cosmic realms that defy imagination. From the pitch-black darkness of Trees 2b, a planet darker than the blackest charcoal, to the split personality of 55 Cancri e, where one side boils with a lava ocean and the other freezes in eternal night. We've seen the deadly beauty of HD 189733b, where glass storms rage across the sky, and witnessed the extreme fate of Kepler 70b, a planet so hot it's nearly vaporizing. Our voyage took us to the tragic dance of WASP-12b, spiraling inexorably into its star. and to Gliese 436b, where ice exists amid searing heat. A true cosmic paradox. Even Venus, Earth's sinister twin, showcased its hellish conditions, while the icy silence of OGLE-2005-BLG-390Lb hinted at mysteries locked in its frozen depths. These celestial bodies, each so wildly different, underscore the stunning diversity and sheer scale of our universe. Stay curious, stay awed, and continue questioning the reality of our cosmos with us at Eskimos. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage.